shortly after I got the AirPod, just after using the wired ones. So we're going to see how that sounds like. So during Christmas, I moved from that to the AirPod 2, and now 2 months later, I'm going to the Pros. So let's unbox that. Okay, let's get going with the unboxing. Okay, actually guys, you don't need a knife for unboxing of iPhones or iPhone products anymore. All you have to do is look for the tab here, get it off. Okay, looking at the box, it seems it's raised, that's embossed. I don't know if you can see that. So it's like in 3D, it's actually raised. Okay, so you got the usual paper, and that's what we're looking for. Yeah. So I engraved Kanye West on that. Okay, so let's see how lightning to. Oh, is that USB-C? I think it's lightning to USB-C. Wow. Okay. Then you have your normal. I think these are the tips to see if they fit. Yeah, those are the tips as I said. So got the small and the large. So I think the medium will be in there. So yeah, that's surprising. That's the lightning USB-C. I think when I got that, that was a USB to USB-C to lightning. That's a lightning to USB, and I think this a USB-C to lightning. So okay, that's a change. When I got the AirPod 2, I didn't get the wireless charging one. I just got the normal one because I actually don't have much of wireless charging thing at home. But I do know that this one is a wireless charging one. Okay, and yes, I did engrave Kanye West on it. It's not Kanye's, but it's mine. Well, I can say he gave it to me, and people will just believe that. So let's open it. Okay, here you go. So I'm going to compare it to the it's a bit easier with this. One hand is this because it's unlocated, and this one's wider horizontally, so it's still the same. Okay, that's how I look. Looks nice though. Yeah, a bit bigger here. So let me just take out the old ones and then compare them. got the sensor there. Okay. So you can see the metal here too better. I think because it's longer, so that's on the inside. And this, the metal is a bit hidden, so you don't see as much. And then on the Pros, the headphones are facing inwards. So they're facing each other. Whereas on the AirPod 2s, they're facing upwards like enemies. They don't like each other. So they're facing outwards. They're facing inwards. Alright, let's do the test quickly. Let's try them on.
Do it for us only. Yeah. I mean, that's my life.
I'm just gonna try them out now. So I have the AirPod Pros on. And I'm just gonna play the music on that. Okay, let's listen to some music. Woo! Alright, the AirPod 2s are not bad. The AirPod 2s are not bad. Okay. Now let's try the Pros. That's on 5. That's on 5. That's on God. Alright, I'm gonna just put the Pros back. Let me just try that. Okay. The good thing is that once you just take one out, it stops playing. And then I can put the next one in, and then it stops. And then it can play. Okay, I'm gonna give him a verdict. They're both equally good. So apparently I'm in my living room, there's nobody here. So I'm just listening to the sound. So I'll say the quality, I'm not an audiophile, it's not that I can hear things, which machine can analyze. So personally I would say almost the same. I can't do it. I can't figure it out. But I think the difference will be in noise. So what I'll do now is I'll put my Kanye West back on, go back. I think the sound is almost the same. I know people say, oh, the sound is better than the Pros, it's got more bass or whatever. I don't know. I couldn't really figure it out. But I think this is better because it's got the tips and it goes straight into your ears. Whereas when you're in an environment, you're going to be hearing too many noise. In terms of the sound, I think it's better. Let me just see how they stick though. So that goes in easy. It goes in easy. Okay. I'm trying to see whether they will stick when they don't come out. Okay. Okay, then my ears, they kind of stay. They're not coming out. I haven't done the fitness test, but it's in my ears, and I think they're not coming out. It's not like it's coming out, so it stays. It's the same with the Pro 2s, they stay in my ears anyway. I don't run with them or anything, but just putting them now, it stays. I'm gonna pretend like I'm chewing because people say when you start eating it comes out, but anyway. Looks like it stays. So I'm also gonna try and do the fitness test. That's what I've not been able to do. So I'm gonna try and do the fitness test and see whether they actually fit my ears or not. So that's the transparency mode. I can hear people. That's just off, so you need the transparency or not. So what I can feel now is that I can feel the cell in my ear. And I don't feel the cell. I can actually hear outside properly. Okay, can't really hear anything. They're similar now. Actually, this feels a bit more sealed than this. Okay, yeah, don't see anything. So okay, just not hearing anything. I don't know what the difference is. So I'm just gonna put my TV on and see what I'm hearing.
Presidential box and weights.
Are
you ready?
I'm ready to go. Let's go.
Nice cancellation. I can hear.
Kieran Trippier, welcome
Okay.
to Presidential Box.
Okay, I can hear more.
Sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, I see that as I was walking in. I didn't even know. I didn't even know it was there.
It's a port cabin, Kieran.
Oh, that sounds like as I said to it.
Obviously,
I can
kicking off
hear
with a
more.
little
I
gift.
don't know what
And I'm
that
slightly
sound
concerned
is,
about this
but I
because
can
if
hear
my
more.
berry sauce is off, then this won't work.
You're not bringing a
A
lot for
little
me.
bit.
No, so I've got you a bag of sweets from Gosling's.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Down a
Berry
bit.
basket.
So
Does
what
this
I'll
mean
do is I'll
anything to
take
you?
the AirPods off to
Wow.
see how
You got the right
well
ones
it
here.
actually.
What's the right one?
You can be happy with yourself. Physical.
Oh,
After the
okay.
interview, there's a little
It's
trick
really
for you.
loud. The TV is really loud.
You've obviously bounced between two massive.
Oh, yeah.
And I was just playing through
I
pain.
can hear him
Obviously,
more.
I didn't have the best seasons.
But I can hear him clearer.
You know, I'm happy I went through.
And this is just
full-time
weird.
part.
It's
If
like-
it happens again, I know how to control it, and I'm at the perfect place now, which I think it was the right time for me to move on to come and to play.
Okay, yeah.
Atletico Madrid to play for Mr. And
Just could hear him
I
clear on
didn't
transparency
regret-
myself.
regret not going abroad.
You just
Lower.
call it Mister.
Yeah, it's Mr. Charles.
That's the Spanish
Lowest.
word for like.
But I could still hear.
As a defender.
So maybe because it's
I can't
TV,
imagine
I
a
can still
better
hear.
club
So just a bit weird.
to be at.
Okay. So I thought nights cancelling means that I won't hear anything.
Anything.
So
You get
yeah,
to get forward.
I'm gonna take the guys. I'm just gonna.
They will. The big thing about shut.
These are great. So they're nice. I like them. They kind of stay. These are equally nice. But I travel on the train, and that's why I actually got this. I travel on the Jubilee line, and whoever's been on the Jubilee line, we find some really squeaky noise, and that's why I've got that. And I'm going to work tomorrow. I'm gonna try those out. Those are really nice, but when it's really noisy outside, you can't really use this. And the good old wires. The good old wires are really great. You know, they serve the purpose. They're really good. But it can be so annoying, to be fair. So since I moved to this one, I hated the wires. Number one, this shows that you're not poor no more. So you're better. So yeah, just joking. Shows that you're not poor anymore. But no, the wires actually is just that. I've started using the wireless, and I started noticing that and getting my wires caught on the trains, and it's getting some people's back. Do some more review after I've used them for a while, especially when I've gone to work, come back, and I'll tell you how that feels like. But yeah, Kanye West gave me AirPods. No, Kanye West didn't give me no AirPod. I just inscribed Kanye West on it, just because I can. You know, when you buy from Apple, they're free. You can put whatever name you want on it. So I just put Kanye West. So guys, like and subscribe. That's my review of the new AirPods Pro.